Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add color swatches to your Shopify store. Color swatches let customers see and pick product colors visually, making it easier for them to choose the right option and improving their shopping experience. On your Shopify dashboard, go to Products. Once we are in Products, click on the product we want to edit. From here, scroll down until we reach the category Meta Fields. Then click on Color and click here to add a color. We can add as many colors as we need. As you can see, we are selecting our colors now. Once we are done, click Save. And that's it. We have successfully added color swatches to our Shopify store. This simple feature can make our product pages more engaging and help boost sales.